Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. So today we are going to be talking about tuples in Python. Tuples are a data type that allow us to store and order collection of elements. They are similar to list but with a few key differences. Now you wanna wonder what are the few key differences between list and tuples. So lists are mutable and tuples are immutable data type in Python, which means that once we create a tuple, we cannot change its content. A tuple is defined using parentheses and separating the elements with commas, and a list is defined using square brackets and separated using commas. So here's one example. My tuple equals to 1, 2, 3. So in this example, we define a tuple called my tuple with three elements 1, 2, and 3. Tuple can contain any data type, including other tuples. Now to access this elements in the tuple, we use square brackets and the index of the element we want to access. Here is an example of that. This print my tuple and index position 1. It will give us 2. As you can see, it's giving us 2 because it is following indexing, and indexing starts from 0. 0, 1, 2. So at one index position 2 is there, so it will print 2. So we can iterate over a tuple also. So to iterate over a tuple, we will use for loop. Here's an example for that. For element in my tuple, print element. So in this example, we use a for loop to iterate over the element in my tuple and print each element to the console. It will print 1, 2, and 3 in different lines vertically. As you can see, it is printing 1, 2, and 3, and this 2 is of this print statement. So now we can also convert a tuple to a list. Although tuples are immutable, we can convert a tuple to a list and modify the list. Here's an example for that. My list equals to list my tuple, and my list.append 4 print my list, and output will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will be the output. Let's see. Now let's run this and let's see if this will be the output or not. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here what it's doing is, first it is taking values from this tuple and it is making it a list by using this list function. It is using a list function to convert a tuple to a list, and now it's list. So lists are mutable. We can add an element. So then we are appending element 4. So now we are printing my list. As like this, we can also convert it to tuple like this. My underscore tup equals to tuple, and then let's put my list. So now let's print it. Now it will convert it to tuple again. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is converted to tuple again. So that's all for today, guys. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any question or suggestion for further videos, please leave them in the comment below. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.